Hi, I am Priya from Iotics Technology. We are the smart switch manufacturers based in India. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Alexa app and link it with the Iotics Smart Home skill. After linking, you can control your Iotics devices such as lights, fan, geyser, AC, and much more using simple voice commands. Before we begin, make sure your Iotics device is installed properly and added to the Iotics app. Tip: rename your switches clearly in the Iotics app to easily identify and control them using the Alexa app. If you need any help with the installation or any app setup, feel free to reach out to a support team. You will find the contact details on our website at www.iotics.io. Now, let's get started. First, install the Alexa app and set up your profile. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and download Amazon Alexa app. Once downloaded, open the app. The initial screen may vary for each user depending on the Amazon Alexa account setup. If your Amazon account is already detected, simply confirm your Alexa or Amazon credentials and tap Continue. If you see the login page, enter the registered mobile number or email ID and enter the OTP you received to your mail ID or mobile number. Then continue the sign in progress. If you don't yet have an account, tap Create a new account option and follow the on-screen step to complete the setup. Then choose the account holder name. For name pronunciation, tap Play to hear it. Tap Perfect if it is right or skip to adjust later. To set up Voice ID, tap the button Agree and Continue and follow the on-screen step to create your Voice ID. When you see your profile is ready, then click Set up My Features button. To allow access to your contacts, tap S and follow the on-screen steps to complete the progress, or to skip the access, click the Later button. When you see all set, Alexa ready to assist your family members, then click Done button. Next, link the Iotic Smart Home skill to your Alexa account. Tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen and choose Skills and Games option. In the search bar, type Iotics, then choose Iotics skill. From the list, choose Iotics Smart Home. Then tap Enable to use. Then enter your Iotics email address and its password. Once you have entered the email address and its password correctly, then click Continue button. Note: make sure you enter the same username and password you used to log in the Iotics app. If you don't have an Iotics app account, please follow the steps below to register your new account. When you open the Iotics app for the first time, you will see the login page. Tap Sign up to create a new account. Enter the email address and set a secure password. While entering the password, check the small message box below. It shows the password rules. After entering the password correctly, accept the terms and privacy policy. Then tap the register button. Now you will receive the OTP to the registered email address. Enter the OTP correctly and tap confirm and login button to complete the registration. If you don't remember your password, go to the Iotics app and select forget password option, then reset it, then come back to the Alexa app and continue. Once you see the message Iotic Smart Home has successfully linked to the app, then click Next. Now Alexa is fetching your Iotics devices. Assign each switch to a room so that you can easily control them with simpler voice commands. Alexa starts discovering your devices. Tap Next when prompted. Now you will see the list of devices which you have already added in the Iotics app. The switch name will match what you have set in the Iotics app. Tap a device and then choose a room. Then tap Add to a group option and then click Continue. Repeat the same to set up for all devices. When finished, then tap Done. In the Alexa app, you will see and control all your linked devices. For that, on the home screen, tap the devices icon at the bottom of the screen. All your connected devices will be listed here. Follow the first time mic setup instructions. Tap the mic icon at the bottom right corner. Then select Get Started. Read the instructions, then tap Continue. If the pop-up asks for location access, then choose while using the app. Now the Alexa is ready to listen. For example, if I want to turn on living light, just say, Alexa, turn on living light. Okay. Now the Alexa will turn on the living light. If you want to turn off the light or fan, for example, Alexa, turn off living fan. Okay. Now the fan will turn off. Note, for fan, you can adjust the fan speed by levels from 1 to 4 or by percentage 1 to 100. Control multiple devices at once by using groups. Groups let you manage several devices at once with single voice command. For that, in the device tab, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Then select the option Add Group. On the Create Group screen, choose Create a Room or Device Group. Now read the on-screen instructions carefully, then select Next. From the list of common names, choose a preset name or enter the custom name, then select Next. Now select the devices which you want to include in the group. Then tap Next. Once your group is ready, then click Done. For example, if I add 2 lights and 1 fan to a group named Hall, just say, Alexa, turn on Hall. Okay. Now the Alexa will turn on 2 lights and 1 fan. Now the single command will turn on both lights and 1 fan at once. Routines let you combine multiple actions into a single voice command, which is perfect for automating your day. For example, if you say, Alexa, good morning, the fan or AC will turn off, maybe the lights will turn on, and the geyser will turn on, and the curtains are open. To create a routine, tap the More icon, which is at the bottom of the screen, then select Routines. Tap the plus icon to create a new routine. Click the Rename option and enter the new routine name, for example, Good Morning. Then tap Next option, which is at the top right corner. Now we have 4 steps inside the routine. The first step is Add an event. Choose the event that will trigger your routine. An event tells Alexa when to perform the routine you have set. For example, Good Morning. For that, tap Add an event option under When section. Then select Voice. Enter the custom trigger phrase. For example, Good Morning. Then select Next option at the top right corner. The second step is Add Actions. Now choose what Alexa should do when you say the phrase Good Morning. Now select Add an Action under Alexa Will section. Then select Smart Home option. Now choose a device type you want to control. For example, light, fan or all devices. Then tap Next and pick the devices you want to include. Set each devices to turn on or off. Device specific tips. For fan, tick the power checkbox and select whether it is to turn on or off. Repeat these steps for each device which you want in that routine. Third step is Save the routine. Once you have added all the actions, tap Save to save the routine. Fourth one is Running the routine. To run your routine, just say your trigger phrase. For example, Alexa, good morning. Now the light will turn on and the fan will turn off exactly the way you said. If you add new devices or rename them in the Iotics app after linking with Alexa, don't worry, Alexa can refresh them easily. Just simply say, Alexa, discover my devices. Alexa will search and automatically sync your updated devices. You are now successfully set up Alexa with our Iotics Smart Home skill. Now you can control your devices anytime either by using the Alexa app or by using voice command. Thank you for watching this video.